Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix overheating issues on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So it is normal for a new phone to get work in the first few days as it processes data and etc. But here are some steps to help reduce the heat. Let's get started. First of all, you have to check for updates on your phone. To do it, you have to go to settings, then you have to tap on the general and you have to tap on the software update. If any iOS update is available, make sure you are on the latest version of iOS and then tap on about and wait for around 30 seconds. If any update is available, just tap on to update and update your iPhone. Then let's move forward to the next step, which is basically you have to free up storage on your iPhone. To do it, you have to go to general, then you have to tap on to iPhone storage. As you can see, I have enough storage on my iPhone, so it won't get heat easily. So make sure you have enough storage, because sometimes storage makes your iPhone heater. Now you have to go to general and scroll down to the bottom and tap on to shutdown, or you can also force restart your iPhone. To do it, you have to quickly press the volume up and volume down button, then hold the side button until the screen is completely black, and you have to tap on slide to power off and turn off your iPhone. Basically it refreshes your system network and it won't delete any of your data. So make sure you follow these steps to keep your phone at a perfect temperature. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.